बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। दोस्तों, मैं हूं मेहरान अली और आप देख रहे हैं मेहरान टीवी यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम अमेरिकन लिटरेचर के MCQs जो हैं वो सॉल्व करेंगे। तो चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं। अर्नेस्ट हेमिंगवे हैज़ रिटन। ट्रू आंसर इज़ ए ओल्ड मैन एंड द सी। आफ्टर एप्पल पिकिंग इज़ रिटन बाय। ये पोएम है रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट की। ट्रू आंसर इज़ बी, रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट। अर्नेस्ट हेमिंगवे wrote. True answer is Old Man and the Sea. Hemingway wrote. True answer A, The Sun Also Rises. Which of the novels of Hemingway is called Hemingway's Wasteland? True answer is C, For Whom the Bell Tolls. Frost is. True answer is A, Frost is a nature poet. Who said these words in The Old Man and the Sea? No one should be alone in their old age. True answer is B, Santiago. Santiago is an illustration of. True answer is C, Hemingway's philosophy of life. Good fences make good neighbors is from Frost. True answer is B, Mending Wall. A poem, Mending Wall. A Farewell to Arms is written by. True answer is B, Ernest Hemingway. Desert Places is a. True answer A, poem. Ernest Hemingway, in addition to Old Man and the Sea, had written A Farewell to Arms, For Whom the Bell Tolls, Death in the Afternoon. True answer is D, all of the above. Earth is the right place for love. I don't know where it is likely to go better. These lines are from. True answer is C, Robert Frost's poem Birches. Fire and Ice is written by. True answer is C, Robert Frost. After Henry shoots the engineering sergeant, who kills the sergeant in A Farewell to Arms? True answer is B, Bonillo. Who is Catherine's best female friend during the war in A Farewell to Arms? True answer is B, Helen Ferguson. Which nurse treats Henry kindly when he is first sent to hospital in A Farewell to Arms? Miss Gage. D is true answer. What is Miss Van Campaign's position in A Farewell to Arms? True answer is A, superintendent. Which sporting event do Henry and Catherine attend with others in A Farewell to Arms? True answer is C, a horse race. What does Catherine say she feels like in the hotel room in Milan in A Farewell to Arms? True answer is C, a whore. What is Henry's rank in A Farewell to Arms? True answer is B, lieutenant. What does Henry do to his uniform after he escapes from the army in A Farewell to Arms? True answer is B, he cuts off his stars. In A Farewell to Arms, when Henry jumps the train to Milan, what does he hide next to? The true answer is C, guns. Which driver gets shot and killed in A Farewell to Arms? True answer is is A. Amo. Which driver gives himself up to be taken prisoner in a farewell to arms? True answer is B. Bonillo. When the novella opens, how long has it been since Santiago last caught a fish? True answer is B. 84 days. Manolin's parents refuse to let the boy fish with the old man because they believe Santiago is Silao. How does Hemingway translate this word? True answer is D. The worst form of unlucky. How does Hemingway describe Santiago's eyes? The true answer is D. They are the color of the sea. What kind of reception does Santiago receive at the Terrace Cafe? True answer is B. Most of the fishermen mock him. Who is Santiago's hero? True answer is B. Joe DiMaggio. What hangs on the wall of the old man's shack? True answer is D. Pictures. On the night before the promise, Manolin to go far out to sea, of what does Santiago dream? True answer is C. Lions on the beach. Why does Santiago not let his lines drift like the other fishermen? True answer B. He believes it is imprecise and he strives always to be exact. What kind of fish does Santiago first catch? True answer is A. Tuna. How does the old man know immediately the size of the great marlin as he caught? True answer is C. He pulls and pulls on the line and nothing happens. During his great struggle with the marlin, what does Santiago wish repeatedly? The true answer is D. He wishes that the boy Manolin were with him. In what year was The Old Man and the Sea published? The true answer is C. 1952. As his first full day of fighting with the fish wear on, what does Santiago begin to think about his adversary? The true answer is B. He considers that he and the marlin are brothers, joined by the fact that they both ventured far out beyond all peppers and dangers in the water. What does the weary warbler that lands on Santiago's fishing line make the old man think of? True answer is B. The predatory hawks that await the bird's arrival near land. What happened to make Santiago curse the treachery of his own body? True answer is C. His hand cramps. In order to help himself catch the fish, what does Santiago do? The true answer is B. He decides to recite 10 Hail Marys and 10 Our Fathers. The great Jew DiMaggio suffers from what affliction? The true answer is A. bone spur.